Alright, so I've just flown to Berlin to link up with my guy Gami.
That's me.
And right now we want to cook up a jazz drill beat, so we're just going to get straight into it.
What's the tempo?
Well, drill's usually around like 140.
Yeah.
And even recently, like drill's been getting a bit faster, like around like 145. Some New York drill's been going to like 160, but that's a bit crazy.
Wow.
We could go somewhere like 142 if it's jazz.
That's cute. Wow, that's holy. Oh my god, my sax playing is so gross. Yeah, maybe we leave the sax for another day.
We tried.
We tried it and we failed.
Always makes it sound better.
Man, I was so close. It might be too fast for reverb, reverse, but maybe a half-timed reverse.
Oh, yeah.
I was just thinking of something reversed, but maybe the chords would even be better, like having
like
a
the
Rhodes
actual
pad
keys.
reverse,
Yeah, that's
reverse
true.
that hits like at the end of the phrase maybe. So.
Yeah, that's hard.
Yeah, this could hit somewhere.
We've got like a lot going on. We need to like organize it. You
Organize
know what I
it?
mean?
I feel like I got one thing we could do,
Yeah.
which is like add some piano.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
like
yeah.
if we add the piano
Like-
section, like a
Oh,
Rhodes.
okay, yeah, let's do it.
Ooh, and that violin.
Yeah.
That's the next instrument I will not be able to play and get. Like
Have you got a violin here as well?
And then I can play 2 notes on saxophone and 1 note on violin.
Rainy day,
I think leave it out the second time.
Yeah. Ooh. I got an idea for the end.
Yeah?
Yeah, I can
Oh,
put some
okay.
shit down.
Kind of like that. That's sick. Probably doesn't need much else like drum wise.
Nah, it's fire. We could try how the piano would sound if it was a plucky synthesizer sine wave.
Oh yeah. This is like a crazy beat, the way it's structured and everything.
Yeah.
But like, there's like 5 different beats in one beat. What would you write about to this?
Some peaceful shit. Nah, I wrote about some lyrics. I got some. I can record
sick.
some if you want, and then
Yeah.
I can explain.
I've been stepping out on a saw. I've been trying to make myself go up a notch. I've been saying, I've been feeling things I want. I've been talking to myself after the night. Now I'm falling again. Yeah. Now I'm talking again. Yeah. Now I'm falling again. Yeah. So it all comes down to this. When you're silent on this. When I'm silent. Yeah. I want a crib somewhere nice and somewhere warm. Off and away, we've come so far. Hope rainy days won't make me lose.
Rainy days, you sailing through the storm.
That's a cool idea.
Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Ay, yeah. Yeah. I need a crib somewhere nice and somewhere warm. Off and away, we've come so far. I hope my friends can come along. Yeah, yeah. I need a crib somewhere nice and somewhere warm. Off and away, we've come so far. I hope my friends can come along.
Alright, so we've pretty much finished the beat. Been working on this one for hours. It's quite an experimental one. We've got a hook down which Gami wrote, but he wants to finish off the track another day. So we're going to show you what we've got so far. And if you want us to finish it, if you want to hear the finished one, then let me know in the comments.
Yeah, I need in a crib somewhere nice and somewhere warm. Off and away, we've come so far. I hope my friends can come along. Through rainy days and quiet storm, I need a crib somewhere nice and somewhere warm. Off and away.